Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a whole new setup. I got a ring light, as you can see. I got a tripod and a mannequin head, and I purchased some backgrounds, so it should be a whole new look to my channel. Anyways, for this video, I'm going to be making my first wig. I'm not going to make it in this video because, like I said, it's my first wig and I don't want to mess anybody up or just be saying random things that I don't know about. But I am going to be using the hair from Eullair. So this is the box that it came in. It's throwing the color off. But yes, this is from Eullair. And they sent me, this is the closure that they sent. It's 20 inches and this is body wave, by the way. It looks really pretty. And I also got 3 bundles of 22 inch. And I can't wait to try this out. This hair looks good. It has a nice wave to it. So I will see you guys after the wig. So the closure is sewed on. And I feel like I did good. It's laying pretty flat. Now it's time to sew my 22 inches on, and I will see you guys after that. Let's get started. Outrageous, so contagious, make you crave it. Jazzy made it so retarded, top charted ever since the day I started. Strip myself, and yes, I've flown goodies, make the boys jump on it. No, I can't control myself. Let me do my 1, 2 step. Rock it, don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Make the body jump. As you can see, I made my own wig. So this hair is from Eullair hair, and I used a closure and 3 bundles. So this is the hair, all to the front. It's a lot of volume. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. This is some really good hair. The only thing that I can say about this hair is when you take it out, it definitely needs to be washed either before you sew the bundles on or either after you sew everything on. So it has some like colored strands of yarn. I don't know what that was, but that's beside the point. The hair is cute, so I'm not really tripping. Yeah, I didn't curl any of this hair. I didn't even wet it or anything. I haven't even washed the hair, but I do recommend washing. I will wash the hair right after this video, honestly. But this is some really good hair. This is the curl that it came with. As you guys seen earlier in the video, it was very, it was some good body wave hair. So this is Eullair hair, and I had a 20-inch closure and 22, 22, 22 bundles. And this was my first wig that I made, y'all. So yeah, let me know if you want a video on how to make a wig with frontal and bundles or closure and bundles, because I didn't invest in this for nothing. I didn't invest in this ring light for nothing. We're gonna make the most of it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get all my notifications and know when I post a poll, post any updates, post any videos, and when I go live, because I have been going live a lot lately. Don't forget to like and get me to 20,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time.